Lengakusho ukuthi asikadalwa savele sadalwa sibantu labasindisiwe, sadalwa sibantu labakhonda uNkulunkulu. Asikadalwa savele sabanjalo. Sidalelwe esonweni besinetimpilo lebesitiphila before. Lebetiphambene nendlela yaNkulunkulu afuna siphile ngayo. Lebetiphambene nesimiso sakhe ukuthi ufuna sikhonde yena. So kulobu umnyama besiphila kukhona tinto letentekile tavela letinye tato titimfihlo. Okunye kwabo asikwati ukuthi singakuveta kanjani kulabo lekufanele sibavete kubo. But today I just want us to discuss just this topic in my secrets. Kahle kahle kumele ngabe side, but kakhulu namhlanje ukukhulumela bazalwane kulesigaba sebazalwane because ngiva ngathi masukuthi sowuphendukile kufuna sizame ngayo yonke indlela ukukhweshisa konke lokho lokungathi kuyanamathela lakithi lokuphambene uNkulunkulu. Kunetinto asengibekise nje uthe ungakholwa kanye sewuthathiwe noma soshadile ngoba nemntwana somewhere lo ngadiwa kusumela ngasiko lakhaya solo akakhulunywa. Angicabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu angafuna siphenduke bazalwane abe aid elicebo, abe aid plan indlela yokuthi sithatha kanjani leto thimo lethu. Ufuna nje siphenduke sibheke kuye because wathi kahle kusekumnyameni kulama secret lesikibo sekumnyameni. So kufuna sibuye kuye sigijima. That is why abheke indlela yokuthi sibuyelane naye through Jesus Christ. So lelo ngifuna ukusho ukuthi we must and we have to try by all means not to have secrets as bazalwane. Kwendeke sosindisiwe noma kwendeke before, but whoever deserve to know about it kumele umtshele kunesikhathi, kumele umatise ukuthi hey athi ngalesikhathi lesi kwendeke ukuthi angaze umuntu atithola sasendleni lapho khona azi hey sengigacele phela la angeke ngisaphuma sekulukhulu ukuphuma because sengifaka intizipho noma sekwendeka ukuthi sizame kubalekela ema secrets ezibazalwane. Ayingodi kulabo lesibafihlele nalabo lesibafihlile. Ayingodi. So I'll translate it straightforward. Verse Luke 8 verse 17. For nothing is hidden that will not be made manifest. Uyabona manje. Lento yonke loyifihlile wena itawuphumela baleni one day. So let us have a way to address our secrets. Dealing with secrets is very dangerous. Sometimes utawukhanza ukuthi labantu lobatshelako you may lose them. Sometimes utawukhanza ukuthi they might be angry ukuthi uphuteleni ukusitshela. So let us pray kuNkulunkulu bazalwane and expose secrets as now. Yonke imfihlo lonayo yende yateke lapho kufanele khona. Angigcizelele lapho bazalwane. Yende yateke lapho kufanele khona. Not anywhere else, but whosoever deserve to know that secret mtshele ukuthi hey ba phela before sidibane ngadibane nokuthi ngikho lokwenda kusebe nje, because you might find that go it's a secret but somebody else knows ukuthi I don't know this secret lenje, and wena awukhululeki just because we've got a secret. And lokunye kunento lefihlile, sometimes you feel like they know usenento lefihlile kanti no they don't know. Ngokuphela kudla wena dikhulule and speak out the secret. As much as difficult as it is, dikhulule and speak out the secret. Ukhulume uthi yathi ninenkinga kanje phela mina sidibana nje kube nenkinga lana noma hey yathi la emsebenzini kwabo lahla ukuthi kwetshiwa ngimi ngisengaphenduke mphathi ngiyaxolisa ngicela manje ungicolele sengibuyisene Nkosi angisaphinze ngobele emsebenzini. Ukhange ukuthi solo bayakhala or still kuleliqala under i-detectives bayalisesha wena sowashiya bethu indlela lethu utawukhanda bawubuthe ekhaya bobubopha sewuphendukile sonje sike lo muntu wakho balisa imali emsebenzini kanti lento wayiyenda ungakholwa le nto wayenda ungatani naNkulunkulu usengayishintsha impilo yakho. So let us try by all means bazalwane ukuthi konke lesikwendayo sikwende ebaleni, sikwende without ukuthi kube nama-question kulabo labasondelene nathi bazalwane, nalabo labangathinzeka kuloko lesikwendayo babe aware of ukuthi no, lokhu kwenziwa ngilokuthi baze basho sometimes ukuthi no, lona beyangeke akwende lokho, lona beyangeke akwende lokho, but because sebabonile le honesty yakho. Lokukholwa bazalwane asikufunzeni, sifundisane, siqeqeshane ukuthi no, step by step usuyakholwa manje kuna into nayo uyende ungakholwa solo imile uNkulunkulu sokuqolele bazalwane, but ukhanze ukuthi la emhlabeni solo liqala liyaranisha le ikhodi, solo liyaranisha, noma ukhanze ukuthi lo muntu lomebele solo uyakhala bazalwane. Let us make this thing isebende kunalabo labangakholwa nobabona, ungathi wena sengiphendukile phakathi bonele. No, hamba ulungise lapho wone khona, hamba ulungise la wone khona, uphume emfihlweni. Nangabe emsebentini bekusetshenziswa ngegenerator thide, wayeba wena ebusuku wafike wayeba, so uyakholwa manje. Emsebentini uyabona solo bayastrugglisha, but so uyakholwa wena, uyabona ukuthi that does not make sense. Still unale mfihlo leyo wena ukuthi you stole that generator. Try and make ways, bazalwane. Try. Sisesemhlabeni la sikhona khona, siyakholwa, yebo siyakholwa, but sisesemhlabeni asikho ezulwini. This is reality. Lokukholwa kubonakala la emhlabeni, sithestwa la. Ezulwini we won't be tested by anything. Sithestwa la, asibhaqi ngokukholwa. Awubhaqi ngokuthi sengiyakholwa manje sokubhaqile lapho, kanti bokanga la kunabantu bayakhala, kunebantu lobo owati imali, ngoba nokati imali bangabuza bakhumbula abantu babuyisele imali yabo. Angenza basuyakholwa, asibhaqi ngokukholwa, asibhaqi ngokukholwa. Kukholwa yebo kona siyasinziswa, siyaphuma ekoneni. Mangabe kunemonakalo lo wonakala longalungiseka manje lokusokholiwe wena, go and fix it. Go and fix it. Kuthi you killed their father when it's your own secret, wabulala baba wabantwana. So just because uyakholwa, that won't bring their dead, but confess and bring some bread to the family leyo, kukholwa lokho. Kukholwa. Mina I believe ukuthi if you come in pure heart, uda uthi kahlana kunakala kanje, ngiyacela ukuthi manje ngisale ngibona labantwana laba because ngababulala babwabo. It has been my secret all along, but sengimukele Jesu manje. Ngicela ukuthi ngibanake. uNkulunkulu will support you even if you don't have anything, just because you have got a willing heart to take care of that family, because vele kwaba isizathu sakho, kwaba inhloso yakho usengakholwa. But now you are making life right. We are fixing these things because watenda ngetandla wena, but njalo sokukhulu ukuthi udawuthi sengiyakholwa, so they will be fine. Those people abakakholwa, they have not repented. Abangamamukela uNkulunkulu okhuluma ngaye wena, abamati ukuthi uzona uyakholwa, ukholwa invela kahle, because they have to see ukuthi lo muntu manje uyakholwa, shozi usho lokhu la kwendawo, not ukuthi usho lokhu lakukhulumako. No, you will see them by their fruits. Bazalwane, let us wake up. Let us make our salvation ibe practical. Tino lesitenda kwathi khona ukuthi sesimukele Kristu manje. Imfihlo ihambele khashana nemzalwane. Imfihlo ihambele khashana nemzalwane. Noma ngabe ngiyiphi imfihlo bazalwane, noma ngabe ngiyiphi imfihlo ayihambele khashane nawe. Kube bede ingreta wendeka kuthiwa wena you can keep secrets ngetinto lowati kahle ukuthi tingcolile tiphambene nembuso waNkulunkulu, kepha naso uyakholwa. No, uma sokholwa ayifuneki imfihlo njalo lengaxabanisa abantu ukuthi wena sowulapho, because nale mfihlo sometimes ihambelana nabo gossip sometimes. in most of the time, because kuze kufike imfihlweni sometimes the ithatha ukuhambelana nabokhosini. So umzalwane akatholakali lapho. You are always found on the right places every time, because now you have changed. Awukhulumi kuphela, uyenda. Wena lebetendeka ukhanze ukuthi nabanje bebalutha kunathi khasipata kwa COVID. Ukhanze ukuthi ukhumbula kahle ukuthi wena you took i-fridge lapha. Thina mase kufika la khayini sikhanza ukuthi vele chawo. Hayi ngofuthe 30,000 unemali. Wathi kahle wena, you are still using those things. You know, if there is a way of kuthi uvale leyo mfihlo leyo, I think you have to sometimes okay mhlambe sekwaba bethe nale story sahamba sekho kuleyo ndzawo, but you still see the same people, your neighbors, they are running the shop lapho khona weba i-microwave wena, and nyalo wena sophendule so uyakubona ukuthi ish ngona lapha, but still I'm using ndinyembe kutela abantu lapho. If there is a way, try ukubuyisela kwazabana, zama ukubuyisela kwalani ukuthi usuphendukile after a week police knock by the door kuthi no story nzawo ukuthi wakweba ngaminyaka lo ngokuthi bese kuthiwa umzalwane lo webako. People won't see, won't even think ukuthi how long does angaphenduka by that time, but the people when they're on the background uyakubo khuluma nabo ukuthi imzalwane ngikuphocile endleleni kanje ngicela ukuthi manje kuloku ngizame ukukhombisetha kanje ukuthi noma silomesi no hayi khululeka mzalwane, ungaqhubeka ukusebenzisa lokho, khululeka mzalwane, ngiyabonga ukuthi ugcine uvelile, ngizolo ngifuna kwade ukuthi ngabe ngibani lo wangiphoqa kanje. Uyabona ukuthi nawe lapho lempilo iyakhuleka, lokuhlangana nanhlo kuyaphela, impilo iyaqhubeka, uhamba sewukhululekile bazalwane. Imfihlo ayifuneki empilweni yomzalwane, ayifuneki empilweni yomzalwane. Sinabo baba la ngaphandle bantwana everywhere, ukhanza ukuthi abatiwe khala abantwana. Lento leyo ayilimati lo mntwana nalo mndeni mhlawumbe nalo baba kuphela, ilimata, uyabona ukuthi ilimata wonke umuntu, even the future of the child, because kukhona lapho khona udinga lo simanje uthi no ngalo ngqwele ngiside ngikhulume le nto le, because at the end ngisho njalo lokho, at the end vele kutawuvela bazalwane, kutawuvela. Sometimes utawushona ushiye abantu bacakekile because of imfihlo wena lobo tenda on the background. I started seeing once washona la khaze kuvela abantu bathi nami umbaba wami, nami lona umbaba wami, nami lona ngisiswami. Siyathuka thina sithi because of imfihlo watenda wena usemhlabeni, but during that night vigil they will be saying hey uhambe saphendukile, bekathandaza, bekashumayela, bekalungile. Bazalwane, asilungiselele impilo yethu emhlabeni sisaphila, asilungiselele impilo yethu la emhlabeni. We don't have another chance except here on earth sisaphila khona. Angeke futhi kube nomuntu lokuthi asisukumela asikhulumele, sikhulumela thina ukuthi hey yathi ngonile la. Ngiyabona mzalwane impilo yakho ayisahambi kahle. Kunebantu labalahlekela imisebenzi ngenxa yakho. Wena you went on the back waya kumphathi. Wathi no mphathi, lo muntu lona nguye lo wabela into lenje. Lona nguye lo wetipanela la msebenzini. Lona nguye lo wabimali la msebenzini. Ube umphoqa umntane bantu bazalwane. Ube umphoqa. Lalela-ke mzalwane, because nyalo suyakholwa. Buyela kuloyo mntane bantu lwamxoshisa emsebenzini, because hey angadi ukuthi lento kanjani. Yabo into leyo ende kulo muntu ayivami ukukiyekela. Always finds a way of dealing with you. Khanda ukuthi nje wena just because you think that kukhona nje ibhizinisi ozozama ukuqala sibayiqaleki because wamuqa umuntu sinkwasakhe. Hamba kuye umtshela ukuthi hey mzala, ngesimanje yathi ulahlekelwa ngumsebenzi. Ngimonke lo wena lokho. yini kwakuqambele manga. Ngiyaxolisa mzala, bengisaselahlekile, manje sengiyayibona indlela. Ngiva kwangathi angidingi into yokujiyela, tokhona ukuthi uma ngabe kukhona la ngakusita kona ukuthi ubuyele back emsebentini. Uzobuyela back, uzobuyela nje baphasi batshele ukuthi yathi lana ngangingene ngisathana. Ngicela nimbuyisele. Yabazalwane, lempilo yokukholwa ayisiko njengoba siyikhuluma sihlale sihleli la. There are decisions that we have to take. Sometimes ucabanga ungiyekele ukucabanga because ucabanga ukuthi what if mayikhuluma lento bantu bathuthini bantu, but at the end ngiva ngathi mina mangabe sophendukile sowuwinile because they know vele ukuthi bangaphenduka vele into bangaphenduki bengakwena lo. But now you are trying to make life easy for this soul lo wayenda kabi and easy for you too. You're making life easy for both parties. As cautious in my secrets and move on, bazalwane. Sikonfesse kulapho lesibonile, sikonfesse even enkulunkulu. Open doors for forgiveness. Sikhulume konke kulapho lesibonile ukuthi ish yabo la angahambi kahle, la angahambi kahle, la angahambi kahle. These people will hear you because vele kudaba buhlungu ekucaleni ukuthi hawu emzala benguthembe kangaka, yet vele ngabantu sibathembayo that do those things in our life. Ngithi nje let us try bazalwane sibambe lapho khona singazama khona ukuthi silungise lapho khona zama ukuthi sikhulume kusenesikhathi, sikhulume sendlule siphile impilo lekhululekile bazalwane. Sitokhona ukuthi noma sishumayele livangeli silishumayele livakale kulabantu, lingalumeli. Ngingathi mangivela mina ngikaso njengoba ngivela la kunomuntu ongibukelayo lo le ePhongolo, kunomuntu ongibukelayo lo le eMelo, utawuthi hawu lo yashumayela lo mina ngivana naye lo mina so uyangiphika namhlanje. Asibalekele into enjalo bazalwane. Uma sesikholwa asicondzele indlela tethu, akusikho lula, but let us make the way ibe straight in Jesus.